Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm Andy RC and today I'm going to be picking a winner for the Aurora RC mini fight provided by GearBest. That was weird. First of all, I just want to thank everyone for entering this competition. We've got 1,504 comments, which is absolutely amazing for a week. So what I'm going to do is just copy this video here, and then I'm going to put it into this random comment picker here, and then press load comments. Might take some time to do because of all these awesome comments. I did read every single one, it just wasn't possible to reply to every single one. So again, yes, thank you to everyone. Okay, let's randomly pick a winner. And there we go. The winner is Greg Roworth, and it says that he would love to win. Well, guess what, Greg? You have won. So what I'm going to do is just open up his channel here in a new tab, and I'm just going to take note of this URL. So, Greg, what you need to do is you need to go onto my YouTube channel, and in the About section, you're going to need to send me a message, and what you need to do is give me your full name and address, your phone number, and your email address. The last two are just for tracking, and I'll pass that information on to GearBest, and you will get a brand new mini fight. So, congratulations, and once again, I just want to thank everybody for taking part, and hopefully I'm going to be able to do a lot more of these. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.